Hi guys, so I'm ready to do the heavy chasing on Pickles and the Penguin. So I'm going to cut all the fills and risers off, and yeah, we'll be able to get a good look then and get him cleaned down. So yeah, looking forward to cracking on with it. So guys, now I've done all the heavy chasing on the Penguin, so I've cut all the fills and risers off and done all the heavy grinding. I haven't come in with any of the finer detail air tools at the moment, just give them a quick polish with a wire wheel. I'm just going to weld over the little bits of imperfections and any of the little pins. So in order to keep the investment central, I put some little tiny bronze pins in, so I just weld them over and make them all part of the sculpture. So yeah, just going to quickly weld them up then. Once I finish welding, I just wire wheel him down. That gets rid of any of the discoloration from the heat transfer, and then using a grinder and the sanding disc, I just map all the welds down as close to the sculpture as possible before I need to get in with the finer detail of the air tools. And that's it. Here he is, ready to go. He's ready for the next stage of finer chasing with the chisels and air tools. Happy days.